You already speak English, but are you still saying things like, I'm looking forward to see you, or we already discussed about it? These little mistakes make you sound less natural. So today, I'm going to help you fix them for good. Hi, I'm Tef, and I help English learners worldwide sound more confident in English. Today, let's fix the most common 8 mistakes I hear from beginner and intermediate learners every single day. The first mistake is, I look forward to see you. The correct way is, I look forward to seeing you. After look forward to, we use a noun or ing form, not the base verb. Here are some more examples. I'm looking forward to meeting your family. She looks forward to starting her new job. Here's mistake number 2. We discussed about the problem. The correct way is, we discussed the problem. Discuss already includes the idea of about, so you do not have to repeat it. Here are some more examples. They discussed the project in detail. We discussed our holiday plans over lunch. Here's the third mistake. I have visited them last year. The correct way is, I visited them last year. You should use past simple with a specific past time, like last year or yesterday. Here are more examples. She went to Italy 2 years ago. We watched that movie last weekend. Keep watching. I'll share an advanced speaking trick that makes you sound like a native in less than 30 seconds a day. Mistake number 4. Despite of the rain, we went out. The correct way is, despite the rain, we went out. Despite is followed directly by a noun, not of. I have actually created a separate video on how to use despite and in spite of accurately. I will link it down for your reference. And let's see some more examples. Despite his illness, he went to work. Despite the delay, the train arrived safely. Let's see what the 5th mistake is. I'm used to wake up early. The correct way is, I'm used to waking up early. After be used to, use a noun or an ing form of the verb. Here are some more examples. She is used to driving in heavy traffic. He is used to cold weather. We are on mistake number 6. She suggested me to try yoga. The correct ways are, she suggested that I try yoga, or she suggested trying yoga. Suggest is not followed by an object plus infinitive. You could use the ing form of the verb after suggest, or you could use the word that plus subject plus verb. Here are some more examples. He suggested going to the beach. I suggested that we start the meeting early. Here's the 7th most common English mistake. I'm here since Monday. The correct way is, I have been here since Monday. Use present perfect tense or present perfect continuous tense for actions that started in the past and still continuing. Here are some more examples. She has been living in London since 2015. That means she started living in London in 2015, she moved there in 2015, and she's still living there. The next example is, We have known each other since childhood. We are on the 8th mistake. I prefer coffee more than tea. The correct way to say that is I prefer coffee to tea. Prefer already means you like one thing more than the other. So adding more than is not necessary. Instead, you could use the preposition to. Let's see some more examples. I prefer staying home to going out. She prefers books to movies. Here's my pro tip for sounding natural. Native speakers do not just use correct grammar. They use collocations. That means word combinations. For example, we say make a decision, not do a decision. So learn as many word combinations or collocations as possible and use them when you're talking. It makes you sound natural instantly. Alright, it's time to see how much you have learned today. I'll give you 3 sentences with mistakes. Fix them in the comments and I will definitely pin the first perfect answer. Check my other videos for English grammar and spoken English fluency tips, perfect for learners of all levels. Like, subscribe and share this video with your English learning friends. I'll see you soon with another lesson.